Me nah lie. I was looking at day 2 of the Vibz Kartel trial, and it seems like the judges were very much concerned about the bribing of the jury. I was listening to the prosecutor points, and then I was listening to Vibz Kartel lawyer points. If these judges don't like that kind of thing, he could probably have a chance to walk or a retrial, believe it or not, because they were asking the prosecutor a lot of stuff. But then again, Vibz Kartel attorney was stating that the bribery of the jury was done by somebody in favor of Vibz Kartel, and also the prosecutor also mentioned that. So listen, this oh boy, you look at this case and it seems like Vibz Kartel have a 50-50 chance, because these judges were pretty much questioning everything. Really and truly, this case right here, it's a president-setting case, in Jamaica, and all the countries them who use the Privy Council. I am quite sure all these lawyers in Jamaica sitting on the edge of their seat, and even me. What's kind of surprising to me is that the focus was on the bribery of the jury, and not even the tampering of the phones and stuff. I'm trying to figure out. I didn't watch all the trial because it was such a long thing, but I am wondering if they had mentioned anything about audio and this and that, because it's such a long proceeding. But the part that I zoom in on is how the judges them guy for the notice. You see, like I said, in the Privy Council, it's just like the Supreme Court. Those judges are not gonna sit down and just listen to stuff. They're gonna ask some really serious questions. You understand? And if they don't understand something, they're gonna ask it again and again. And that's how Supreme Court operates, and even in America, other places. I think it's fair. It's way better than the Caribbean Court of Justice, and Jamaica should think twice about breaking away from England. What we might need to do is to get a better relationship with England so that Jamaicans can travel to England and certain European countries without a visa. Go back to the old stage, because this right here is I say it's a fair trial, and this is justice. So whatever the verdict, I think it's justice. I think it's a good look, and I'm glad that they televised this thing live over the internet so people all over the world can see. It's a very big case. There's a lot of infighting with Paula and ISAT. I said before, I think ISAT did him injustice by, going constitutionally. But now I'm wondering if the way they approach the jury might be a good strategy, but I can see the judges not saying, well, the person who was doing the bribery was in favor of Vibz Kartel. I think the judges, they might allow it, but this is looking 50-50, like I said, because I see a new trial, and it for real, this guy, Vibz Kartel, I think with what I see and what I am understanding, this young man might get a new trial, dog. I didn't watch all the trial, like I said, but there's a lot of stuff that, because the body still hasn't been found, but in the privy, it seems like they only argue certain parts of the case. It's not like a retrial, like I explained. But if he goes for a retrial, it might be dicey. So if he gets a retrial, he needs to get the witness them to try and retract the statement and stuff like that. You understand? And these Privy Council, it seems like they don't like shady police work, and they don't like shady judge situation. And England is a modern country, modern laws, way better laws than Jamaica and the Caribbean. We all know that. So these guys right here might use the Vibz Kartel trial to I guess change the way how Jamaica justice system and the judges them think. So next time a judge come across a situation like this, maybe they should have say it's a mistrial, because to be real, if that was America or Canada or probably England, I think with the jury corruption that would have been a mistrial, and that's what I would have done. So I'm gonna sum this up by saying, I was focused on the voice notes and this and that, but you see, these judges in the Privy Council, it seems like they're focused on the corruption of the jury. And like I said before, in any case, the judge is the one who have the final call. In the cartel case, the judge felt like 10 jury was good enough, but these judges, they're asking a lot of questions, so they might have a problem with that. And hey, if they have a problem with that, they might rule in favor of Vibz Kartel, either out of jail or a retrial. So right now, he has a 50-50 chance, straight up. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.